Tricks Watch, this is Sir P. Now, as the saying goes, you cannot teach a old mule new tricks. Or was it old dog? Anyway, the world spreads new quote-unquote human rights lawyer. I start the PR campaign early. You might have seen a video going around on people that say, oh, see, even Fox News take it up. No, that's not Fox News. That's Fox 5 NY. There's a big difference. You see, the strategy that Isaac Buchanan is using is, as you would have heard in my previous video, the same old trick. The only trick he has up his sleeve. Go to the media first, set the narrative, go to a media house that is willing to listen, right? Willing for, I guess, I don't know, whatever means him use to get them, right, to work with him. Right? But go to a media house that is willing to listen, right? Set the narrative. He knows the public are going to then say, see it? If you come upon news, then it must be real. Right? Have you heard that rubbish? It starts off by saying he's bigger than Tupac, Jay-Z, Easter Bunny and Santa Claus in Jamaica. Which news platform you ever hear start off so? Sound like a paid promo. Sound like a ad. Go up on them YouTube channel and go check the numbers. Nobody watches that garbage. Fox 5 NY. TVJ bigger than that. The Observer bigger than that. Loop News bigger than that. But you see, Isaac Buchanan knows say enough Jamaicans frightened for foreign. And from it they're foreign, it must be real. I mean, the only people who were willing to listen. The journalists didn't even bother no research. But me say it literally sound like an ad. Right? Paid promo. But them I talk about tampering. Today I'm gonna tell you about that phone. I'm gonna tell you. Not just about the tampering we go on, quote unquote tampering with that phone, but tampering in general, because this is this case. Boy, I hope you have a cup of coffee. Hope you have a cup of tea. We're going to talk about tampering. I'm going to give you the build up, then we're going to end with the phone. And a special surprise. We're going to be briefly touching on a specific clansman. We're not really ready to drop him yet, but briefly touch on theme story. We're going to talk about tampering. Look on your screen right now. See, we're living in spooky times. The Jamaican media, unfortunately, I'm gonna say it straight and clear, enough of them are nothing more than a bunch of groupies disguising themselves as journalists. Enough of them because they want to be invited to the cool parties, because they want to get invited there, so maybe if first part touch by the road, them can stand up beside them and take two pictures. Refuse to do them job. All of this is public information. There's no way a little YouTuber should be able to put this together when it's right there. You see, Gaza Slim. Remember when Gaza Slim went to the police station and reported that on October 29, 5 days after the World Sprat was charged for Lizard case, that Lizard will her up and rob her. Remember that? Yes, Gaza Slim, the artist that was formerly of the camp, she go tell police 5 days after Lizard, after the World Sprat get charged with Lizard, say Lizard rob her. She was then quickly charged. Not only that, remember Pimpin? Remember the Pimpin, you're thinking what me thinking? Yes, him. Him did also get caught up in that. And the World Sprat. You want to talk about tampering? You're innocent artist of a sin, theme kerosene artist. We go tell the police a Lizard robber, because obviously these dummies think that the police are going to say, oh, hold on, Lizard rob you? That means same alive, case done. Police are going to say, oh, hold on there, Mr. Gaza Slim, you said Lizard? Oh, well, I mean, that means he must be alive then. Alright, that's it, cancel the case. Right? Lego the World Sprat, drop the charges. It was ridiculous from start to finish. I don't even know how Gaza Slim think this was going to work. But then again, and the World Sprat then put her up to it. You want to talk about tampering? You want to talk about falsifying evidence? You want to talk about, don't worry, the video just start. The video just start. Your innocent artist have a sent woman. Right? Go tell. So think about these people at Jamaica, yard and abroad. Lizard. Of all the people in the world, Lizard, who nobody to see. Right? From August 16, 2011, of all the people in the world Lizard appear in front of, it was Gaza Slim. And not only that, him robber. Interesting. Not his mother, not his friends, not his girl. Right? Nobody ever. Oh, Gaza Slim. Was it like the story in the Bible? Did he appear in a wheel within a wheel? Complete rubbish. You don't want to talk about fabricate and tamper, but it didn't stop there, so. Right, don't worry, when I get to the phone, you know. Go and sip on your Cersei. We want to talk about the juror. Remember the juror where the world spot them buy out? And then him now try buy out the other jurors them? We don't want to talk about tamper. These are the actions of your innocent artists. So if you send Gaza Slim, if you go say Lizard, right, then if you buy out juror who turn up first day with barely 2 pennies for rub together, and all of a sudden start off be a cash, start off for the other jurors them lunch, start off for them all kind of things, start trying to sway them. And who remember that case there? Forget about that. Forget about that small time juror there. How about the letter? The letter where them claim say the witness right. See it up on your screen. Remember? Them say, oh, forensic experts and the handwriting look like it much. Handwriting, Pitney copy them parents' handwriting or school. Copy them parents' signature. Handwriting, make a read the letter. Good day, I am witness. As me say, name them public. Everybody know was the witness. Only in the voice note. We don't know one Lizard was supposed to go up there, right? I am the witness in the Vybz Kartel cause. Again, in the previous video, I mentioned this is somebody who was coached by a lawyer. The person isn't very bright, but it look like they get coached on the phone because the lawyer clearly never proofread, and you're going to see why. Nobody, no civilian walk around and refer to court cases as cause. That is lawyer speak. It is embedded in the lawyers. I know enough lawyers to know that. That's the first time I've ever heard it. I used to always try and ask, what do you mean cause? No, this is how we talk. We say cause before the court. That's how lawyers talk. So when they say cause, it's not a typo. They mean cause. Him hear cause and write back cause. Right. Let me carry on. The purpose of this letter is to inform you that statement by the police, by me, wasn't willing because I didn't go freely to the police station. They came for me in brute force. Oh my God, really? Because of this, I apprehended fear. Again, he's being coached by somebody who is much more educated than him. But when it comes to writing it down on paper, him can't put it down if it makes sense. Right? But him hear what the person has said and him can write it back down. But it now makes sense to you, the reader. Right? Being coached. And I legitimize their theory. I wonder if you realize it's a lawyer coach this. You see, this is lawyer. Right? Cause, legitimize their theory. This brother who just wrote, because of this I apprehend fear. Don't come up with this panic man. He's being coached. And I legitimize their theory of what happened on the 16th of August 2010. Lizard lost his life 16th of August 2011. I can assure you this. The witness, for one thing you will not forget, is that day. That date is sketched permanently in that youth head for the rest of his life. The people them who come up with this Mickey Mouse letter. As me say, me could carry on. 2010 you know. See, if him did forget the date, like for example the 16th and him says 17th, we can understand. But the month and the year, you're not going to forget the month and the year when you go up on one yard to lose your life and escape. 16th of August 2010. I didn't intend to be involved in your cause. Again, he refers to the case as cause. He's been coached. So you have to tell him, say you didn't intend to be involved in the cause. Right? And him right back when here. Right? The reason why I don't want to come to court is because I see Clive after that. Clive is Lizard. So the witness has said him don't want to come to court because him see Lizard. So now we see. So the only people on planet Earth in the entire galaxy who see lizard after August 16, 2011 is Gaza Slim in association with Pimpin and the dopey will write this letter. The only two people lizard appear in front of, wheel within a wheel like the Bible. He came descending from the sky. Is Gaza Slim. This is the length, your favorite entertainer. And clearly the people whom I work with, and clearly somebody in a legal team went to get him out of the case. You don't want to talk about tamper? You really want to talk about tampering? Alright, we could talk about the phone. When you really want to know what's going on with the phone? I'll tell you. In a court, when them ask the policeman, how comes the phone? Right, make call. Because remember, you know, Isaac Buchanan said them go for expert. Right? And experts say the phone get tampered, but you notice it's very vague. Tampered how? Were the images and videos doctored? Did they splice somebody's body and put on top of them and then get how? Very vague. Tamper? Hope you have a cup of coffee. Hope you have a tea. You see, Isaac Buchanan thinks he's ahead of his time. He also thinks every Jamaican is a simpleton. That's why he thinks by going to a Mickey Mouse local affiliate channel in America, he can somehow be able to dominate the narrative. Once again, just like with the case with the Rasta, with the pitney with the dreads, wrong again. Wrong again. We'll never be able to dominate the narrative. Let me tell you about that phone. Do you know why the Jamaican justice system can't tell the people them what really happened with that phone? It's because it would be the biggest egg on the face of the justice system, right, in recent memory. You see, the phone was in a locker and the police them, down a cyber unit, put the key for the locker on top of the locker. Let me say that again. The phone, after it went into police custody, them locked the phone in a one locker and put the key on top of the locker. Now if that's not amateur, I don't know what is. Therefore, anybody down there could just take the key off the top of the locker and go in or use it. So when you see but phone make calls, the phone made 3 calls, 3 calls after it was in custody. Now here's the thing. There are no writing on this or the tamper with the phone. People of Jamaica, you're the real shameful part for the justice system. You're the part of them don't want the Jamaican. This is what they can't admit to the Jamaican public. That a member of the said police station, police unit, an official was acting on behalf of the World Sprat. We did want to know. So make sure someone having a cup of coffee and thirsty tea. The somebody we're going to go use the phone. Turn on the phone, use the phone, make all kind of call. That person was acting on the behalf of the World Sprat. This was another in the long line of attempts to tamper with the case. Una already see say them willing to send Gaza Slim to lie and say, but she's a lizard. Una see say them willing to go to board witness say him now come a court cause him still lizard. Una see. Right? With the jury, the juror and all that. Oh, and by the way, there was also a juror who didn't even have to left the case because them woke up on the juror's son in a jailhouse and them threatened the youth and the youth make him mother know and she have to come out for the case. So we know the lengths they're willing to go to. Now you might think to yourself, me not believe that. Me not believe that. That person was not acting on the behalf of the World Sprat. They were not trying to help the World Sprat. Okay, now we're going to see the difference between educated and intelligence. Comment section, get ready. Answer this question. if somebody is arrested and charged, and evidence is gathered and collected from them, if somebody was to go and use the evidence, for example, this phone, turn it on and make call, would that person be helping the prosecution or the defense? Who would benefit more from the evidence being used in any way, shape or form? Prosecution or the defense? I'm looking in the comment section. I'm going to be looking in the comment section. No, we're going to say who have sense. Constable Simon, Constable Crook, Constable Wangagut is going into the locker to take out that phone. He says, "Me go turn on the phone and make call for show the phone I use." How would that constable possibly be trying to help sink the world spread? How would that officer, how would that agent, how would that official in any way help the prosecution? That would hurt the prosecution, because what you then have is what you have now, where a lawyer can say, "See, the phone was in custody, my client never have it, yet still it was being used." That show you say the evidence get tampered with. That person was acting on the behalf of the world spread. But the justice system, the legal system, the police cannot admit that, because then the entire justice system would look like an even bigger joke than it already looked. Because people will then ask the question, how many other times did people go in a locker go take out phone? How many other times people go in a locker go take out phone and delete things off of the phone? You see, in this case, them couldn't delete it, because as soon as them carry it in, right, cyber unit take out the chip and take off the evidence. So the police are going there go open the locker. Anything you think him are going there for delete, it was already take off. Hey, what's the next best thing? Use the phone, make call upon the phone, see that the phone I get used. So the only good thing them do was to take off the evidence as soon as them get it. Because if them did wait too long, if the somebody were going there go actually start make the phone call them and all them thing there, they'll never know where they on the phone. We could talk about evidence. We could talk about tampering. You see, the argument the world spread lawyer I try to put forward is this. I'm going to give you an analogy. Let's say I am married to Simone. Simone going on my phone, right? Me left my phone, gone outside, right? Gone do some gardening. Right? Simone going on my phone, go see one video, right? And me and Maybelline, right? And we do big people things. She also find some voice note me send give Maybelline. I tell her, I say, oh, the night before was so amazing and I can't wait to do it again. And I love how she did rub me down and she get all them things. She then confronts me. Me say, you know what? Me I go send for man a foreign. Me I go send for one expert to see if you tampered, if you go on my phone. So big foreigner come down. Say, yes, you know what? This phone, because you left the phone at 10:22, right? And at 10:25, while you were outside, the phone get access, right? So yes, the phone, right, was tampered with. Me then turn around to Simone and say, see it, I am innocent. I am innocent because, right, you're going on my phone. That would be ridiculous, right? What they want to believe is that because the phone was quote unquote tampered, the evidence night somehow becomes, right, fairy tale. The evidence night somehow, right, not real. Speaking about evidence night, obviously making a show in the video. I'm going to put it on Patreon, and after the full commentary, I'm also going to describe who in the video, because I didn't know mad system did it. But of course, there's a certain member of the Klansman gang in the video, the person who did the main damage to Lizard, by the way. Right. So that will go up on Patreon.com. But I'm going to play a couple audio clips. Right. This is what come out of the phone. What you go hear is when them outside of the room, I try to discuss how them are going to take Lizard life. Them a plan. Listen up closely. Shh.
This can kill him, we have to swing it right and make it catch me.
That's the world spread. telling Roderick, said, this can take his life, but be careful how you swing it, man, catch me. He's talking about a pickaxe. But what them want you to believe is that because the phone get 3 calls while it was in evidence, somehow this not exist. Like on the video, people not see say I Roderick that. Like people not see Madsus. Right? Oh, but you can't see them face. Well, the screenshot we are looking on is a quick blur. It's a quick blur in him at the worst part of video, because you know his IQ is that high. This is the guy who goes on, does something like this and video the whole thing. Right? Absolute genius. Right? But you think to yourself, alright, it blurry, me can't really make out. Who that? Him look kinda Spanish Town people, who they spawn on the screen? Who they spawn on the screen? With the hat and the don't worry, let me show you a clearer picture. Spanish Town people, who that? Who that? See, Roderick is the other genius in all of this. Right in the middle of it, he decides to stop and take a picture and pose with the pickaxe. Telling you, these guys' IQ must be like 500. Let me play another audio clip from the video. Shh, listen closely. Tell Need for Speed, aka the Transporter, Sean Stamp pick out but Mick, the witness there. You see, the rest of this conversation was relayed to the rest of the Klansman name by Roderick himself. Him and the world spot was going back and forth over not just who for witness what go happen, but what go happen to the witness. You see, World Sprat want him to see what happened to this lad. We send a message to him. Roderick, I say, yeah, that for go on. But what you don't hear is that Roderick end up start telling the World Sprat, say, if the witness live, then there's a possibility same can go talk. So said, so done. But of course the witness didn't live because the World Sprat decided to be nice. The witness lived because, well, if you haven't seen the video, Constable Pitt. Witness take himself and Constable Pitt stopped the World Sprat from catch the witness. Speaking about witness, Isaac Buchanan continues to push the narrative through the media that the case is built around the phone. And for years, the Jamaican people here say, all them have is circumstantial evidence, complete nonsense. The witness means that they have direct evidence. The case has direct evidence and circumstantial evidence. The case was not built around the phone, the case was built around the witness. But they continue to repeat this lie because them thinks that everybody at Jamaica is a simpleton and nobody knows in a sense. And if them just set the narrative, then them are just telling you times are changing. Times are changing. And the witness, the star witness, the case built around. Phone and everything else is supplemental. Them show the witness and them say, yeah, that tattoo there, that's Madsus. Yeah, that's him, that's him. The case was built around the witness, not the phone. Even upon that Mickey Mouse so-called big foreign channel, you hear them. The Blackberry is not the Blackberry, the case is built around the witness. No matter how many times you LIQ agents repeat that lie, it will not become the truth. But again, it's all about the narrative. Remember, according to the World Sprat fan base, him now have nothing to do with Klansman, him no know Roderick, or it's just coincidence that's the person of the video, right? Same hand, same tattoo, same clothes, right? Just so happen to be Roderick. He don't have nothing to do with the world spot. He don't have nothing to do with him. Him don't know Roderick. Him and Roderick are a friend. It's all a lie. You sure about that? So who them two man here? Who that on the left, who that on the right? Oh, I get it, Mr. LIQ. Oh, he's just a fan. The world spot don't know him. Right? He's just a fan just come ask the world spot for a picture. Right? That don't mean nothing. Right? It's still not tied the world spot to Roderick. Right? It still don't mean nothing. Right? Just a bad mind the artist, you fight against the artist. It don't mean nothing. What you saying? It don't mean nothing. Look on your screen right now.
I respect the house of God.
Yeah, man, him not gonna do it, man.
I know.
No, cause you're a gangster. That are different levels.
Last time I turn up a pulpit, you know, man, I know that Maxim, you know.
Praise the Lord.
The last time I turn up a pulpit, I'll know that, Mark. And you're extremely intelligent. World spread. The man who for years is supposedly this brilliant mind. Again, we're talking about 16-second sprinters, thinking 13-second sprinters, right? Fast. People who say the world spot is this brilliant mind and he's so highly, they might compare him to themselves. He's in a room with Roderick. Right? Roderick wanted from Bulby days. Roderick were constantly in and out. And then, not just discussing this topic, him then turn on the camera and put it on himself. But don't worry, it's all a lie. Him don't know Roderick, man. I set up a splice, all of this splice. Yeah, the DPP. Right? Yeah, the DPP use Photoshop and put all of this together. Yeah, man, everything tampered. Right? I make up things to get views. You see, your favorite so-called journalists, with the big team of them have and the whole resources them have, them could have put together a video like this much faster, much sooner. But do they really want to destroy the narrative? As me say, enough of them are agents. Or maybe them just afraid for them life. Me don't know. Let's get something straight as well. You see, if the world spot bust him case, it would be because of the amateur hour will take place down a cyber unit. It will be because the big wigs them say, well, even though the evidence on the phone is overwhelming, and even though there is a witness, direct evidence, them never manage this properly and all that, so them are going to choke the case. That's the only way. The fact that they allowed, the fact that them put key on locker and allow an agent acting on behalf of the world spread. If you go use phone and make call and all kind of things, means say, if the world spread bust the case, this fall on the shoulders of the cyber unit. Amateur operation of the decade. That's like locking your gate, that's like locking your door and left the key in the door at night time. Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, Bugs Bunny. Make us see how it turn out now. Isaac Buchanan, understand something. The people them when you try convince, them already convinced that the world spread. Innocent, him don't know Roderick, him have nothing to do with Lizard. Lizard alive somewhere, just a hide. Right? The guards are slim and all, that's all just a strange mishap. Right? You don't need to convince them. They're already convinced the world spread. Right? They've convinced themselves. They're lying to themselves, because people can't do that. So the world spread now nothing to do with Lizard or badness in general. He was not funding the Klansman gang. He might have nothing to do with them. They already make up their mind now. So when you go link Mickey Mouse foreign channel claiming to be a quote-unquote human rights lawyer, just cause they know the Jamaican thing say the foreign man ice colder, and them go say, well, a foreign, so a big thing, so it must see it. That means say, oh, me didn't know. Innocent. one thing I can admit is that you understand the culture well, and you know the type of people you're dealing with, except the mistake you made is to assume, say, at the whole of Jamaica are simpletons. This case is going to be interesting. The outcome is going to be very interesting. But you know what isn't a surprise and will never be a surprise? The strategies of Isa Buchanan. He is as predictable as sunrise, and almost as predictable as the people who normally turn up in the comment section of videos like this and tell me, say, oh, them did like me, but them not like me again, and them now watch no more videos. You say that in the same videos over and over again. When are you going to grow some cojones and fulfill your promise? When are you going to actually stop coming over here? That's not going to happen. See, we know you're going to be here again for the Roderick video. We know you're going to be here again for the Quack Quack video. So why don't you just be a good local LIQ and hit the dislike button. Write your heated comments and run along. Patreon squad, big up on yourself, look out for the video. As me say, playing the moments leading up to when time my debate will happen till this all, and also the video of the world spread and Roderick. I thought about, well, we're not gonna see it anyway. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.